Hey everyone, so today I have came with the two most tasty Maggi recipes. So without any further ado, let's get started. Before starting with the recipe, I want to make sure that you have turned on the CC for seeing the video in your language. For that, just click on the 3-pointer option and then choose your language from the list. After you choose, you can see that the captions are coming right down the video. If you like this video, click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell button so that you never miss an update from this channel. Okay, first we will see the recipe of 3x spicy South Indian Maggi. Yummy, right? Let's see the ingredients and the procedure. First things first, introducing the hero of the dish. Well, I have used one packet at the rate ₹5 for each flavor. You can always increase the quantity if you want. Switch on the gas and set it in low flame. Put 2 tablespoons of oil. Let it heat. After that, put ginger, garlic and green chilli 1/4 tablespoon each. Mustard seeds 1/4 tablespoon. Let it crackle. Curry leaves 1 to 2 stem or 12 to 24 leaves as per your likings. Stir well. 1 piece red chilli cut into pieces. Braise everything for half minute. Tomato 2 tablespoons. Let the tomato be completely cooked and mushy. Red chilli powder 1/4 tablespoon. You can skip this ingredient if you are not a spice eater. Now next, coriander powder 1/4 tablespoon. Turmeric powder 1/4 tablespoon. Salt 1/4 tablespoon. Sugar 1/4 tablespoon. Braise everything together. Now add Maggi with 1 cup of water in it. Now put the gas on high flame. Add Tastemaker. Continuously stir so that the water gets absorbed faster. And also the Maggi doesn't become mushy or too soft. Now turn off the flame when it has a little water-like consistency. And yes, we are done. 3x spicy South Indian Maggi is ready to be served. Enjoy! Next comes the delicious yet simple egg butter Maggi. For that, add 2 tablespoons of oil to the kadai. Lower the flame and put ginger, garlic and green chilli 1/4 tablespoon each. Braise everything together. Pour Maggi in a bowl with a cup of water. Onion 1/2 tablespoon. Stir fry for a minute. Now beaten egg 1 piece. You can also add 2 if you like. Let it set for half a minute. And then scramble the egg. like so. Now salt 1/4 tablespoon, red chilli powder 1/4 tablespoon, sugar 1/4 tablespoon. Now put the water soaked Maggi into the pan. Now put butter 1 tablespoon. You can also add 2 tablespoons of butter if you like. Now at this stage put the gas on high flame. Add Tastemaker. Continuously stir 1 minute or so like before so that the water gets absorbed faster. Now at this stage put the gas off and our egg butter Maggi is ready to be served. Maybe the color of this dish is not so tempting, but the dish is. So give it a try and do let me know.